In this video, I'll show you how to make an image round in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to scroll down to the section wherein it has your image. As you can see in here, I have a rectangle image, and in order for you to change its shape, simply click on an image block, and at the top, you will find the pencil to edit. Simply click on the pencil to edit. And on the right hand side, you just want to make sure that you are on the design tab. Now you will have three options below. It's either fit, fill, or shape. As you can see, if we choose shape, it will automatically shape the image. In order for you to change the shape, simply head over to the bottom and click on shape. And from here, you can choose from a few options. One is 1:1, and these are all of the shapes in which you can do. To make it round, simply choose the first option in 1:1, and as you can see, it is a circle. On 2:3, there are also a few options for the oval in which you can choose from. And once you're done, simply click on a random section and it will automatically save. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.